Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily add multiple Telegram account on your Windows PC or laptop. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly tap and hold on the app icon of Telegram. Simply right click on it, then you will see the option of open file menu. Click on it. Then again right click on the Telegram application. Then go to show more option and create a shortcut. After the shortcut has been created, right click on it and cut this application from this file. After that, simply head toward your desktop again and paste the file which you have just copied. After that, now you need to rename this shortcut. So once it has been pasted on your desktop, right click on it again and there you will see the option of rename. You can give any name you like. Here I'm going to give Telegram 2. Then after hit the enter key. Once this file has been renamed, after that head back to File Explorer, go to your local disk and create a new folder with the same name as your shortcut. Right click on it, go to New, click on Folder and simply create a folder with the name Telegram 2. Hit the enter key and double tap on this folder. After that, at the top, you will see the name. Right click on it and choose the option of copy address. After that, now you need to use this code. So you can simply copy the code and type the address which we just copied. Then after select all this together and copy it. Close the notepad. Right click on the shortcut which we created. Then after head toward the properties. In properties in target section, simply paste the address which we just copied and click on apply. And that's it. Just by that, you will be able to now use multiple Telegram accounts. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.